we will be learning some general rules about Dvitiya Vibhakti. When does Dvitiya Vibhakti come? When should we use Dvitiya Vibhakti? All that we will be seeing now. Let us take the verb khadati, eats. Balakaha khadati. Balakaha khadati. Balakaha phalam khadati. Kaha khadati? Balakaha. Balaha khadati. Kim khadati? Phalam khadati. Balaha phalam khadati. Let us observe another set of words and sentences. Pathati, reads. Balika pathati. Balika pathati. Pustakam pathati. Ka pathati? Balika pathati. Kim pathati? Pustakam pathati. Balika pustakam pathati. Pashyati. Ka pashyati? Mahila pashyati. Mahila pashyati. Kim pashyati? Vriksham pashyati. Mahila vriksham pashyati. Karoti. Kaha karoti? Kumbhakaraha. Karoti does. Kumbhakaraha. Kim karoti? Ghatam karoti. Kumbhakaraha ghatam karoti. The potter makes the pot. Kshipati. Kaha kshipati? Vanaraha kshipati. Kim kshipati? Malam kshipati. Vanaraha malam kshipati. Now from this we can arrive at the rule 1. When Dvitiya Vibhakti is to be used. Before that we have to understand few things. In a sentence, there will be a verb, an action word, which is a verb, that is called Kriya Pada. In a sentence, there will be a Karta, a doer of the action. So the word which denotes the Karta is called Kartru Padam. Similarly, there will be an object in a sentence. The word which denotes the object is called Karma Padam. Now, Karma Pada is in Dvitiya Vibhakti always. Vakye Kriya Suchakam Padam Kriya Padam iti uchyate. Kartru Suchakam Padam Kartru Padam bhavati. Yat karma suchayati tat karma padam bhavati. Karma padasya Dvitiya Vibhakti bhavati. Now the question will come, if we have to use Dvitiya Vibhakti for karma pada, how to identify the karma pada in a sentence? How to identify a karma pada? Now there is a technique, simple technique. When we ask the question kim, kam, kam, the answer we get is karma padam. The question that we should ask should be along with the kartru padam. Kartru padam should be included in the question asking. When we ask the question, we should, when we are asking the question with respect to the Kriya Pada, Kartru Padam should also be included in the question sentence. Kartru Pada Sahita Kriya Padam Uddishya Kam Kam Kim iti prashnaha karaniyaha. Yadi uttaram prapyeta tarhi taduttaram eva karma padam. So if we get the answer, then that answer is karma padam. Example, we'll come back to this example. Kumbhakaraha ghatam karoti. Kaha karoti? Kumbhakaraha karoti. Tarhi kumbhakaraha karta. Idanim kartrupada sahitam asmabhihi prashnaha prashtavyaha. Kumbhakaraha kim karoti? Kumbhakaraha ghatam karoti. Kumbhakaraha kim karoti iti prashnasya uttaramasti ghatam iti padam. Atayeva ghatam iti padam karma padam bhavati. Karma padasya dvitiya vibhaktihi bhavati. When we ask the question, what does Kumbhakara do? Then the answer we get is Kumbhakara does or makes the pot. The answer is the pot, and it is ghata, and the pot is the object. So this is how we recognize the object. Once the object is recognized, that word should be put in Dvitiya Vibhakti. इदानीम् अन्यम् एकम् उदाहरणं पश्यामः. अहं पश्यामि. अहं किं पश्यामि? अहं कं पश्यामि? अहं सिंहं पश्यामि. अहं सिंहं पश्यामि. कं पश्यामि? सिंहं पश्यामि. Whom do I see? I see the simha. So I am getting an answer to the word kam. Aham kam pashyami, aham simham pashyami. Now simha becomes the karma pada, and karma pada will get Dvitiya Vibhakti. In Dvitiya Vibhakti, we have another rule. We have these dhatus gachati. Gachati is a dhatu. Gam is the dhatu, gachati is the kriya pada. Now, gatyarthaka dhatu, it is a gatyarthaka dhatu. It is a dhatu which has the meaning of movement or to go. Now, a destination of a going or a moving action is also considered as an object. That karma padam shall be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Let us understand this carefully. Suppose we are going to a place. I go to the city or I go to the village. Aham gramam gachami. Now, what is my destination? The village. The destination is considered as karma. Object, it is considered as karma. Now, since it is karma, this karma padam shall be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Devadattaha gramam gachati. Atra gatyarthaka dhatuhu asti. Gachati iti gatyarthaka dhatuhu. Gachati ityasya arthaha goes iti Angla bhashayam. Gam dhatoho arthaha gatihi vartate. Tatra kutra gachati iti prashnam vastutah prashtavyam. Parantu kutra gachati iti prashne krite api atra devadattaha kam pradesham prati gachati iti prashne krite devadattaha gramam gachati. Devadattaha gramam gachati. Because gachati is a gatyarthaka dhatu, as per the grammar rule, the destination of the gatyarthaka dhatu is considered to be a karma. So hence it shall be in Dvitiya. Devadattaha gramam gachati. Devadatta goes to the village. These are the two main rules that we have studied in Dvitiya Vibhakti. These are the two main rules that we have studied. We will do some exercises and then study other rules. Let us do some exercises on these two rules. Kripaya hastam prasarayantu. Siddhi Atul. Balaha phalam khadati. Tell the word which is in Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Phalam.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Ravikiran Jana. Sita vanam gachati.
Vanam.
Radhika Raghavan. Vanaraha malam kshipati.
Namaste Mahodaya. Vanaraha malam kshipati. Malam Dvitiya.
Malam. Chhatra lekhanim krinati.
Lekhanim.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Sitaram Subramanyam. Bala Ramayanam Pathati.
Bala Ramayanam Patati. Ramayanam.
Ramayanam. Dhanyavadaha. Idanim Rohan Bharadwaj.
Ram, sir.
Ram. We have to form sentences using Dvitiya Vibhakti in this exercise.
Okay.
So the verb is patati. One example is given. Patham pathati. So frame the next sentence.
Katham pathati.
Uttamam.
Patram patati. Bhashanam pathati. Kadambarim pathati. Mantram pathati. Pustakam pathati. पत्रिकां पठति पाठं पठति
उत्तमं धन्यवादाः
धन्यवादः
रोहन धन्यवादाः
धन्यवादः सर
नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज कल्याणी महेश सिमिलर एक्सरसाइज
गृहं गच्छति देवालयं गच्छति शालां गच्छति ग्रामं गच्छति नगरं गच्छति आपणं गच्छति विपणिं गच्छति क्रीडाङ्गणं गच्छति
उत्तमं
धन्यवादः महोदय
मीनिंग ऑफ आपण
इज स्टोर
विपणि
मार्केट ओके क्रीडाङ्गणं इज प्ले एरिया
प्लेग्राउंड धन्यवादः उत्तमं that was very good now with this we have done the general rules. The general rules state that the object of a sentence should be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. The second rule is when a Gatyarthaka dhatu is there, the destination is considered as karma, and since it is karma pada will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti.